Om-Gyanatimirandhasya Gyananjana-Shalakaya Chakshur-Nilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This song, Nitai Padakamala, by Sri Narottam Das Thakur, is very famous among Bengali Vaishnavas. There are two other songs describing the glories of Nityananda Prabhu, which are famous among Bengali Vaishnavas. They are by Lochan Das Thakur, and they begin with the lines Akrodha Paramananda Nityananda Rai, and the other one is Nitai Gunamaniyama. It's unfortunate that people don't know about Nityananda. Everyone should know about Nityananda Prabhu. To know about him, first one has to know about Caitanya Mahaprabhu, because Nityananda Prabhu's whole existence is in relationship to Caitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, everyone's existence is in relationship to Caitanya Mahaprabhu. About Caitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishnadas Kaviraj states that Keho Mane, Keho Na Mane Shabtaradash. Some recognize it or admit it, and others don't admit it, but everyone is his servant. Krishnadas Kaviraj. So Nityananda's whole life is Nityananda Purna Kare Chaitanya Rakam. He's just living to fulfill the desires of Caitanya Mahaprabhu. So I can request you to at least you can read this book, which is translated in Tamil, about Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu, so that we can begin to understand who are Caitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. Ek Mahaprabhu a Prabhu dui jan, dui Prabhu sheve Mahaprabhu charan. This is also stated in Chaitanya Charitamrita. There is one Mahaprabhu and two Prabhus. The Mahaprabhu is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the two Prabhus are Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Prabhu. And the two Prabhus, they serve the lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. So actually everyone is looking for Nityananda. Everyone wants Nityananda. Nityananda means eternal bliss. And the very personage of eternal bliss is Nityananda Prabhu. He, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna avatar, Nityananda is Balaram avatar. As Narottam Das states in another song, Brajendra Nandan Jai Shachi Shuta Hoilo Shai Balarama Hoilo Nitai, that who appeared as the son of Nanda Maharaj has now appeared as the son of Shachi Mata, that is the name of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mother. And Balaram has become Nitai. Nitai is a short way of saying Nityananda, like a nickname. Just like you must have, you have in Tamil also, Subramaniam becomes Mani, like that. So Nityananda becomes Nitai. And this song which we just sung, this describes the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. Nitai. Nitai Pada Kamala. The lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. They are more cooling than many millions of moons. I think everyone in Vellore can become a very good devotee of Nityananda Prabhu. It's so hot there in the summer. If you come in May from Vellore to Batticaloa, you'll think, it's so nice and cool here. But when the moon rises in the evening, you feel, some relief, nice and cool. So Nityananda's lotus feet, they are like many millions of moons. And Jai Chayai Jagata Jurai, in the shade of those lotus feet, all the universe can feel, so nice. We are all burning in the fire of material existence. Sangsara davan alalidha loka. The whole world is burning in the forest fire of material existence. That fire is produced from lust. Dushpurena analena cha. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna describes that lust burns the heart. We can get relief from this fire of desire by the grace of Nityananda Prabhu. In many songs of Narottam Das, he indicates or points out that we can get free from material desires by the grace of Nityananda Prabhu. Ar kobe nitai chande karuna hoibe sangsara bhashana mo kobe tuchcha hobe. He says that he's aspiring for that time when he will achieve the mercy of Nitai Chand, again the moon of Nityananda, and then his deep-rooted desires for material existence, for material enjoyment, will become just insignificant. It seems almost even for those few people who are trying to get free from material desire, it seems almost impossible to do so. That is possible by the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Today there is scheduled an initiation ceremony. So it's very significant that this is being performed on the day of Nityananda Trayodashi, the appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda is Balaram. Balaram means strong and attractive. So that strength is spiritual strength. So Balaram, he gives us spiritual strength. And Balaram, he is Adi Guru Tattva. He is the origin of the principle of Guru. And particularly Balaram as Nityananda takes the role of Guru. Prem Pracharan or Pashanda Dalan Dui Karje Avadhuta Karen Brahman. About Nityananda Prabhu, who's called Avadhut. He's called Avadhut for his unconventional behavior. So it's described that he wandered around for two purposes. One was to preach prem, love of Krishna, and the other is to subdue the atheists. So this is the Guru's work, his responsibility, and the Gurus in the line of Caitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, they do this according to the instruction that Caitanya Mahaprabhu gave to Nityananda and Haridas. Caitanya Mahaprabhu sent out his first preachers, Nityananda and Haridas. Shuno Shuno Nityananda Shuno Haridas Shabatra Amaragya Karaho Prakash. He told them, listen Nityananda and Haridas, everywhere you reveal my order, or you make my order known. Pratik Hare Hare Gya Karo E Bhikha. Bhaja Krishna Bolo Krishna Karo Krishna Shikha. He told them, you go to every house and you beg from the people. You beg from them that you should worship Krishna. Beg them to chant the name of Krishna and beg them to learn about Krishna. So Nityananda is full of bliss and he preaches to let everyone else also become full of bliss. Ha ha Prabhu Nityananda Premananda Sukhi Kripa Balokano Karo Ami Boroduki. Narottam Das again prays, calling out to Nityananda Prabhu, you are very happy. I am very unhappy, so you make me happy. We can be happy by taking shelter at the lotus feet of Nityananda. We do that via the parampara system. As Narottam again says, Ashraya loya bhaje Krishna tahe nahi taje. Arshab mare akaron. He says that those who worship Krishna taking shelter, those who take shelter, ashraya, via the parampara system, Krishna does not reject them. And all others, they simply die. They live, they die. That's all. Means there's no meaning to their life. That also Lochanda says, Heno nitai ja rati nahi holo, Lochan bole shei papi elo argelo. Lochandas Thakur says about Nitai, that sinful person who has no attraction for Nitai, he simply is born and dies. There's nothing else to say about his life. So the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda are more cooling than many millions of moons. And we are invited to take shelter there. But that's not all. Simply getting shelter from material existence is not all in all. Heno nitai bine bhai radha krishna paitenai. Without Nityananda, without his mercy, we cannot attain to Radha and Krishna. Therefore, so that means, again, we have to go through the parampara system. So, Dhura Kori Dharo Nitayar Pai. So, Therefore Narottam Das says very strongly, hold on, catch on to Nitai's lotus feet. Shesham Bandhan Nahija Britha Janam Gelota. Same thing that Lochan says. Who does not have a relationship with him, with Nitai, his birth just useless, passes uselessly. He is an animal and a most misbehaved person. Sheposho Borodora Cha. Shesha Nitai na bolilo moke. Those who do not say the name of Nityananda, they do not use their mouth to pronounce the name of Nityananda. Then mojilo samsara suke. If we don't get the Nityananda, the eternal, pure, spiritual bliss, then we become absorbed in material happiness. We are all looking for Nityananda, eternal spiritual bliss. But if we don't get that, then we try to take happiness in material existence. Just now at the beach we had some evidence of some other teachings of Narottam Das. He says, Karma Kanda, Jnana Kanda, Shakali Bishera Bhanda. The religious attempt to become happy and the religious attempt to become liberated by cultivating knowledge, they're all pots of poison. Amrita Baliya Jebakai. But those who eat from those poison pots, they call it nectar. Amrita Baliya Jebakai, Nana Joni Shadafiri. They always rotate in various species of life. Kadarja Bakhana Kore. They eat horrible things. Tara Janma Adha Patejai. And they gravitate downwards to lower and lower birth. So we saw on the beach one turtle that had died and just the body was there, the soul had gone somewhere else. And the crows were very happy. Kadar Jabakhanakari. They were pecking at the dead turtle, eating horrible things, dead, smelling body of a turtle, smelling of decomposure. And the crows are thinking, very nice. The Atma in the body of a crow is meant to dance with Krishna in Nityananda, in eternal bliss. Due to some very sinful activity, one takes birth as a crow and takes pleasure in eating the most horrible things. So if we don't chant the names of Nityananda, we become absorbed in so-called material happiness. So, we may be very proud of our very high education and birth in a high family, but it won't help us. If we don't take shelter of Nityananda, then all our so-called high education, high intelligence, high birth, it all simply cannot save us. So what happens to those who forget the lotus feet of Nityananda? Ahankari mattohaya nitai pada pasharya. They become maddened with ahankar, thinking, me, I, me and mine. And they asatere shatta karimani. What is not true or what is not real, they take to be real. They take this tatkalikamana situation to be eternal. It is not nitya, it is anitya. But if we come out of all this ahankar and we can attain the mercy of Nityananda, Nitaya Karuna Habe Braje Radha Krishna Pabe, then we can attain Radha and Krishna in Vrindavan. So for the second time in this song, Narottam Das says to catch hold of the lotus feet of Nityananda. Dharo Nitaya Charana Dukani. Then Nitaya Charana Sakta. This is the really real thing, the lotus feet of Nityananda. Taha Rashe Bhaka Nitya. His servant is eternal. Service to Nityananda Prabhu situates us in the eternal position beyond birth and death. So again he recommends, Nitai Pada Shada Karo Ash. Always desire the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. Narottama Baroduki. Narottam Das, placing himself in the position of a conditioned soul, he takes the position, I am very unhappy. So he prays Nitai more karo sukhi. Nitai, Nityananda, you are always happy. You please make me happy. Rakho ranga charan erapash. Keep me in your reddish lotus feet. So this is completely non-understandable to gross materialists. If you go walk up in the street in Melbourne to the average Australian and try to explain these things to him, you have to take shelter in the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. You say, "What, mate?" They have no idea about what you're talking about at all. Yeah, in English it's called Melbourne, and in Australian it's called Melbourne, just for your information, if you ever happen to go there. So, you're all very fortunate. In this material world we're all very unfortunate. But to be born in the culture where we can at least be open to appreciate the lotus feet of Nityananda is a very great fortune. So, please take shelter of the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda. We can get his mercy particularly by preaching Krishna consciousness, because that is the service he was given by Caitanya Mahaprabhu. Caitanya Mahaprabhu's desire is Prithivite ache jato nagaradi gram sabatra pracha hoibe moranam. Caitanya Mahaprabhu's desire is that his name will be preached in every town and village of the world. And Nityananda purna kare Caitanya rakam. Nityananda, his only interest, his only thought is to fulfill the desires of Caitanya Mahaprabhu. So whoever participates in this preaching of Krishna consciousness, they can get the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. And then they can get the mercy of Caitanya Mahaprabhu. Then we can get the mercy of Radha and Krishna. Hare Krishna.